How to cite and download articles from Google Scholars. Step-by-step guide. How to cite articles from Google Scholar. There are some steps to cite articles from Google Scholar in different formats easily. If you learn format like APA, Chicago, Harvard, etc., then you will manually cite any article in any format easy way as compared to citing article online or from software. So let's start in step 1. You will open Google Scholar website. In step 2, search article by writing in Search tab. The search where you can write your article, which is Impact of Macroeconomic Variables on Stock Returns Evidence from KSE 100 Index of Pakistan, is bordered with yellow color, and after that you can click search button, which is bordered with red color. In step 3, the article will be displayed in Google Scholar Engine. This article is available in PDF format written in blue color as well, which is bordered with yellow color, where you can download it by clicking on pdfresearchgate.net, and you can also cite article by clicking on Cite tab, which is bordered with red color. In step 4, the list of references are shown after you click on Cite, which are MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard and Vancouver. So you can copy your required references and copy it in MS Word. Over here you can learn how to cite references in Google Scholar search engine in many formats, and you can practice it. So, you can easily learn by writing it in manual way if you have article in PDF format instead online or through softwares. In step 5, copy reference in APA format and paste in MS Word. The APA format references is highlighted when copy is in blue color and bordered with red color, and copy is bordered with yellow when you will right-click after selecting references for copying in APA format. Here you can see how you get a PA citation from Google Scholar academic search engine, and you can copy it in MS Word. In step 6, you can also copy this reference in APA format in many software such as BibTeX, EndNotes, RefMan and RefWorks. The BibTeX is bordered with green color, the EndNotes is bordered with blue color, RefMan is bordered with purple and RefWorks is bordered with orange color. Structure of APA format. Starting with author's short name by putting comma and then initials in capital form, which ends with dot. After that you can write years in small brackets, then dot. After that the journal title will be written in sentence format by putting dot in end. After that journal name with capital letter in italic form, then comma, then issue or part number, comma, and page numbers. If you have DOI, mention it, otherwise it's optional. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.